If you want to learn how to consistently make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. And if you don't know me, my name is Maynard. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a little over 2 years now, and I have made over $100,000 in just 12 months with it. And of course, I quit my full-time job as well. I'm going to give you the steps and the tips that I use that can make this happen for you too. Number one, we need to pick a product that people want or a product that solves their problems. Number two, you need to grow your audience organically through consistent and authentic content. Number three, you need to provide value and always be honest about the products that you're promoting. Number four, use email autoresponders so that you can collect emails and create recurring customers and follow up with them on a daily basis. Number five, when you sign up for affiliate programs, make sure they offer high ticket products, which means the products cost more so your commissions are higher. And don't be afraid to invest in yourself because that will make you a lot of money in the future. And here's my advice. Pick a strong motivator. Whether it's you wanting to spend more time with your family or traveling more or getting out of your 9-to-5 job, just pick a good motivator. Because if you don't have a good motivation, you're likely to give up. And lastly, learn from someone who's already done it. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. And that way you will be able to get to your goal a lot faster. And like I said, I've already done this for almost 2 years now. I would love to be that person that helps you. Comment down below or send me a DM and let's chat about getting you started.